Good morning and welcome to day 2 of the GS Trophy 2020 here in New Zealand.
This morning we'll be leaving Napier behind us and we'll be heading along the east coast of the northern island of New Zealand. Approximately 50-50 on-road and off-road today.
The first special stage happens in just 20 kilometers. Let's take a look.
This special stage is called the gravel push. The teams have to start with a motorcycle with the ignition off. It's in first gear and they have the option, when the marshal says go, put it in neutral or pull in the clutch. They're offered 2 ropes that they can use or decide not to. The teams must pull the bike through the deep gravel and through 4 sets of cones. Let's check it out.
Look at how these guys are going. Latin America is rocking it on this course. Come on, guys. You're almost there. Go, 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 go. Yeah! Woo! Brazil! Yeah!
Here we are at the beach for special stage 2, and we're calling it the sand sprint.
The key to this exercise is a balance of traction and momentum. Riders must exit the start gate as quickly as possible, loop their way around, and stop in the stop box as quickly as possible to stop the sprint. Day 2 is a wrap, and what a day it was. We find ourselves at Castle Point, one of the most picturesque places in all of New Zealand. Jocelyn, tell me, what was your favorite part of the day?
Well, Sean, there were so many great parts today, but I'd have to say I think it was riding on the beach.
I love the beach too, but definitely one of my favorite parts was the twisty roads. I love how these bikes yank and bank their way up and down through the twisties and forests. It's absolutely spectacular.
Agreed.
What do you suppose we have in store for us tomorrow?
You know, I'm not sure what's in store tomorrow, but I can tell you what, I think it's just gonna keep getting better.
I think that's absolutely true. Stay tuned for day 3 of the GS Trophy 2020 here in New Zealand.
And an incredible 55 points today. And in total, 120. Team South Korea!